Hey food lovers, ever wondered what it was like to dine in ancient Egypt? Today I'm going to take you on a flavorful journey back in time, exploring the basics of Egyptian cuisine, bread and beer. Now bread was a staple in the ancient Egyptian diet. They used emmer wheat, which is an ancient grain that's making a comeback in modern kitchens. Emmer wheat isn't like the regular wheat we use today. It has a nutty flavor and a slightly chewy texture, making it perfect for artisanal bread. In ancient times, Egyptians ground the emmer wheat using grinding stones. Imagine two large flat stones, one on top of the other. You'd place the grains between them and grind them by hand. This was hard work, but it made the grains into a coarse flour, which was perfect for their rustic bread. Next, they would mix the flour with water and a bit of salt. Sometimes, they'd add wild yeast to get a nice rise, but often they relied on natural fermentation. The dough would then be shaped into round loaves and baked in a clay oven called a tanner. These ovens were heated with wood or dried dung. The loaves were stuck to the walls of the oven, and the intense heat would bake them quickly, giving them a crispy crust and a soft, chewy interior. The smell of freshly baked bread must have been incredible. Now, let's talk about beer. Yes, ancient Egyptians loved their beer. It was a nutritious drink made from barley bread and water. They'd let the bread ferment in water, creating a thick, slightly sour brew. To make your own version of ancient beer at home, you can start with some barley bread, break it into pieces and soak it in water. Let it sit for a couple of days to ferment naturally. You might need to try a few batches to get the taste just right, but it's a fun experiment. So how can you bring these ancient recipes into your modern kitchen? Start by experimenting with ancient grains like emmer wheat. You can find it at specialty stores or online. Try making your own emmer bread and experience the unique flavors that ancient Egyptians enjoyed daily. And for a fun weekend project, try brewing some ancient beer. It's a great way to connect with history and appreciate the culinary innovations of the past. Remember, cooking isn't just about making food, it's about connecting with cultures, both past and present. So next time you're in the kitchen, think about the hands that prepared food thousands of years ago and the stories behind those recipes. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Until next time, happy cooking.